Please be here, please be here, please be here. Yes!
The only downside to having this heater running is that you literally can't hear anything anyone is saying because it's so loud and obnoxious. So I'm gonna wait until the room is heated up and then we can start painting. Woo!
Is it still wet?
No. It is dry as a bone. He's ready for paint.
Alright guys, so I just finished heating up this area of the shop. The paint that I'm going to be using is nice and warm. This is Rust-Oleum Hammered Silver. It's the same paint that I used on my dashboard. So let's get to painting. Man, I've been waiting for this for a while. I've been so sick and fucking tired of seeing that fucking ugly bay. Alright guys, so like I said before, the paint's all warm. The engine bay is dry. It all looks good. There's no runs, there's no nothing. It's ready for paint, so I'm just gonna dive right in. So while I'm waiting on the first couple coats of the silver paint to dry, I'm taking a walk over to Clint's bay. I think he has some glitter paint that I can use, and I also want to see the progress on the truck.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. God damn. That looks good as shit.
And the rust looks good as well.
It's rusty.
Yes, it does.
Mustang.
Gang, gang. All right, so I got 3 layers of the silver paint on. What I'm gonna do next is what I did to my dashboard. I took black paint and I mixed it in a little paint cap, and then I took a paintbrush and I drew the lines and the rivets onto the dash. So I'm gonna do that for this as well. What I'm trying to do is replicate what I did with my dashboard, but in the engine bay as well. So hopefully it comes out good. I'm gonna start doing the rivet lines now, and then hopefully when I'm done with that, it looks pretty good. So let's go. That's a big old torque converter right there.
I'm worried I was gonna kill myself.
All right, guys.
Ah!
So the engine bay is like 90% done. I've got, you know, all the designs finished up. Laying down some clear coat right now, but I also have to redo the power steering rack and the subframe because I did forget to tape that off and I did get silver overspray on it. So I do have to do that. And then after that, I still have to wait on getting some glitter paint because I thought that I had bought some, but I guess I didn't. Next weekend, I'm gonna attack this with some glitter paint, make it sparkle a little bit. I don't wanna go too crazy with it, but I do wanna add some type of glitter to it just to give it that more of a pop. So just going to finish clear coating it and then going to attack the subframe and the power steering rack and then should be done for tonight. It looks amazing. It looks amazing.
I love the way this came out. Alright guys, so the engine bay is done for now. I still need to get the glitter paint so that I can do a clear layer over this and make it sparkle a little bit more, but as of right now, this is what the look is going to be. It honestly looks great. I'm really happy with the turnout.
But I'm gonna leave it at this. I will see you guys next weekend. Next weekend I'm gonna have the glitter paint. I'll be able to finish that, touch it up. Not really sure what we're doing, but we need to, you know, do some stuff. I know we need to get the motor on the stand and start to break that down, and we also need to get started on the wire tuck process. That's it for this video. I'll get a couple more, you know, smooth shots of this before it's over. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.